On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Wow. Good morning. Man, you guys always show up for me. Merry Christmas, everybody. You guys are amazing. Good to see you guys. My God, what's going on? We got too many people in the chat this morning. I can't handle this stuff, man. You guys are too kind. Merry Christmas to all you guys. How we all doing? We're looking for some trade setups here. We got to go into the chat. What's going on, Jeet Corp? First year, Jeet Corp. Crypto Pollo, cluck, cluck. What's going on? Darren does things, always lurking and working, coming through. Army Piper. Much love. I'm so proud of you, man. 500 subscribers, bro. 500. Let's go. 500, man. We called on the Otter Gang to come through and grab you some more subs, man. That's awesome, man. I love to see you win, bro. Nate, Quantum Divergence. Happy holidays, dudes. Mad love and respect. Thank you, Nate. Wonderful charts out there, man. Always giving back to the community. Altcoin Corey, always here as well. Daddy Zach, what's going on? Good morning to you, my man. What's going on to you? Lunar Beaches Crypto. Have you heard of TRB? TRB got a pump, man. TRB got a pump. Crypto Billy in here, man. Giver's Gain. Always there. Tuesday nights on Twitter Spaces, man. If you want to get into some real stuff, some quality, some bro time. I mean, there's lots of ladies on there too sharing their experience, but we all need that. Billy Go Tails. Much love to you, Billy. Good morning to you, man. Hope you have a very beautiful Christmas. I saw you and the family, those pictures on Twitter, man. That's beautiful. That's what it's all about. Rodney Cowden always coming through, man. Good morning. Merry Christmas to you, man. French Toaster, the bravest toaster around. Good morning. Merry Christmas to you. Huck, good morning. You're always there too, ma'am. Good morning. We had some good plays yesterday, guys. How about the Solana trade, guys? Oh, God bless every single one of you guys, man. I'm so fortunate to have you guys. Your time, your presence, even if you're just FD White, what's going on? Just sub to you yesterday, man. I saw you on Twitter Spaces. See, that's the thing. Giver's Game, man. We come through We reach out to other creators. We all try to collaborate together as long as you're doing the right thing, being an honest person, being kind. You know, we love everybody here. So that's amazing, man. Love to see people grow and love to see people trying their best. And hopefully we can all grow together, man. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday, baby. You guys are freaking amazing. You guys are amazing. How y'all doing this week, man? It was a good week, man. We got Christmas on Monday, man. We're gonna celebrate a birthday. We're gonna celebrate a birthday, man. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. One of the best birthdays around, isn't it? And all us pleb humans get to be spoiled with presents. And if you aren't getting presents, well, your presence is a present to me. So God bless you. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, so we had some trade setups. We had that link bounce. Whew. We had the Solana trade yesterday. Whew. Okay, we didn't get the full target, but man, the setup was there, right? The setup was there. Ooh, we be banging on them. We got to be banging on them. We're banging on them that we're bringing out the Arnold Schwarzenegger soundboard today because it's Friday, baby. It's Friday, baby. Let's go. Who is your daddy? And what does he do?
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Get down. Stop whining. Don't do it.
And I don't do this kind of work.
Oh, man. We're going to have some fun today, friends. We're going to have some fun today. Vacation starts at 1 p.m. That's right, Toaster. We're already on holidays, man. Tell me your work. Let's be real, guys. It's Friday. And what is your work ethic like on a Friday? Okay, like I'm here. I'm persistent, you know. I always try to show up for you guys.
Who is your daddy?
Who's your daddy? Do it now.
Do it now.
We're gonna have some fun today, man, because you know it's Christmas, where it's the holiday spirit, and not many of us are, you know, really motivated to work. You know, not motivated, but you know what? Sometimes I just pinch myself. I get to press buy and sell and make some money, and that's what I do for a living. You know, and then if there are things that require my attention during the day, you know, I feel like a retired person because I do my grocery shopping in the middle of the week. You know, when people are at work because of the convenience, right? No one's there. So we are fortunate enough to have the privilege to have created a life of, you know, of fortune in the sense where, you know, time is valuable and time is precious, right? And the time we get to spend with each other is precious to me too. So I'm very grateful for you guys. So yeah, the Solana trade came back down, knocked us out, but we took it here. The trade setup was given here. Bada boom, right? Bada boom. It banged on it. Make sure you got that Friday coffee, guys. And I'm not talking about that. Special coffee, okay? It's not special coffee time. It's still Friday, okay? Still Friday. So, B&B trade. That was good, that retest. What do you guys think about that? That was pretty cool. ADA. Now, man, there's been so many breakouts. ADA's retesting the breakout. So this is a possible trade opportunity this morning that I'm looking at. Hey, your stop loss does not want to be that low. It wants to be maybe below the swing high here or swing low here. But looking for the retest here on ADA. A lot of these things have broken out. Okay, you can see we get the breakouts, the retest, and then the shoot to the moon. Okay, so a lot of these things are breaking out on certain time frames. I mean, I missed the Matic one, guys. We were looking at this for days, and I missed this one. This breakout was wild. It's been consolidating downwards. We said, you know, I picked up another bag because of Rob on Sin City Crypto. He yelled at me for not having enough Matic, so I bought some more here. And I mean, it's up quite a bit already. So we're looking at some things. But ADA is kind of the trade setup. Bitcoin seems too easy this morning. Like this trend line support, this seems too easy. To me, this means like bear flag falling down possibly. So I'd be cautious right now. Be cautious. We're going into the weekend, remember, and it's the holidays. So make sure you're tight on those stop losses, friends. But yeah, Bitcoin looks too easy, bouncing off this continued support, looking to continue upwards, okay? Up into the moon, but we'll have to wait and be patient on that one. I was also looking at a beam trade here. Pardon me. Beam looks like it can go a little bit higher here. So Beam has been suppressed. I'm pretty bullish on Beam. I am a holder of Beam, so I mean I was buying down here. However, it has come down to some key levels of support, and it's looking like it could want to push back up. So just watching Beam right now, possible opportunity for a little bit of a more degenerate play, okay? More degenerate play if you're looking at Beam. So got to be careful with those degenerate plays, my friends. Got to be careful, okay? Always got to be practicing good risk management. That's what it's all about. You're still in that dot trade, Pollo. My God. Cluck. Illuvium and dot. Yeah, man. Dot had a move yesterday. Had a move. Okay, Matic got a move, but Dot got a massive move. Let's go to Dot. Take a look at Dot quickly. Pardon me, man. A little bit of a clogged throat. Had to get up in the mid. I mean, as you guys know, my grandpa had a fall 2 weeks ago, and last night I heard a bang, bang, boom, and he had dropped something in the bathroom. So I woke up in like obviously panic mode and like. Oh, man. It reminds you what's important, right? It reminds you what's important, for sure. My God. Now I'm on edge, you know? Now I'm on edge, wondering, worrying. Wow, what a move on Dot, man. What a move on Dot. Billy called the Dot move. Of course Billy called the Dot move, man. He's given, man, you got to get on that trading wars, Billy. Look at this beautiful breakout. Okay, this is where it is, right? Look at this beautiful retest, just like the rest, right? This is what we're looking for on ADA, right? ADA, we're looking for the same thing. Maybe a little bit. We'll have to wait and see. Wow, look at that retest, man. Look at that. Billy's a TA specialist now, man. I love it. You're killing it, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. Woo, Dot banging on him. Yeah, so a lot of these things have retraced, and then they have the confirmed breakouts, and then bang, right? Bang. Like unlike Solana. Solana's just like hold my drink. It's gone, right? Solana's just hold my drink.
Correct.
Thanks, Arnold. Thanks. Do you want some cookies?
Cookies?
Oh, man, too much fun. It's Friday, man. It's the holidays. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. We'll go over Bitcoin. If there's any alts you want me to look at, of course, I'm here. But I just wanted to go over, looking at that ADA possible pump. Okay, Bitcoin possible flag pump. Okay. It's almost too easy for Bitcoin, man. This was almost too easy, in my opinion. So questionable. The funding rate's very, very high right now. And then that beam trade. Solana's coming back, head and shoulders possibly here. So we'll get rid of this. That's all I saw this morning. Why is Solana over here? There's two Solanas on my chart. Let's go over to AVAX. AVAX gotten rejected after making some beautiful gains upwards. AVAX getting a massive pushback. So we got to be careful. It's crazy out there.
Are you crazy?
So there is some news that hit us just now. Okay. That's why we came on early. It didn't affect the charts too much. Okay. So we got core PCE price index, durable goods month over month, personal income month over month, and personal spending month over month. Okay. We got some prints here. This came in as forecasted. This came in a bit hot. Personal income. Okay. Durable goods, 5.4. Whoa, that's really good. Isn't that really good? 5.4 compared to 1.8. Whew. Core PCE months. It's month over month. Okay, so it's not as significant, but wow. Surged. Okay, this is massive, massive. Significantly surpassing market expectations, excluding transportation, new orders increased. Including defense, new orders increased 6.5%. Transportation equipment. Wow. Okay, so this is pretty significant considering. Wow. Negative 5.4. Okay, and they expected 1.8. Negative 5.4. That's a big difference. That could be some volatility in the stock market this morning. We'll have to wait and see. Core PCE month over month 2 came in even. Okay, so interesting things. Seems to be pushing Bitcoin. I wouldn't say it's directly influencing Bitcoin, but this was given in advance. So look at us having a wee lickle pump. A wee lickle pump. We'll have to see if we can get out of this flag. Okay, this is a bull flag, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Today will be quiet, says Pollo. What's up, Tony Soprano? What's going on, my man? What's going on, my man? I almost feel like I've deprived you guys of not enough of the intro song. So let's play it again. Okay, so going over Bitcoin.
Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
ETF approval today, says Schaefer.
What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking
Okay,
well over
we gonna
exceptional
grab the sky.
I'm chopping this so
Friday, baby.
Hard knock. I put in the work so you
Raise
can't
the roof.
You ain't drawing with luck
Together,
when you
guys.
follow with us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets.
Pass the
Bang,
bread.
that's an otter gang with an auto flame for a lot of hate.
Pass
Get
the bread
above
to the
lane,
other side.
Ain't about the trade. Have another
All right.
trade. Get another play. They playing God, so pretentious.
Now up the roof. Let's go. Come on. It's this Friday morning. We gotta get our exercise in, baby. All right. Now we do the jog. Do the jog.
Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a
Now do the jog with the head
Fan
dodge,
base
right?
like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up better sit low. The product base, but
Ho, ho, ho. Kinda rally.
when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like
Judo
my
chop.
wallet, yo.
Judo chops like
Stay
Austin
true
Powers,
to the
guys.
digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Now the box to end it. The box to end it.
Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
If you're new,
Alexo, crypto.
we wild. Join us in the free Discord. Everything's free here. Welcome to the Alex So Crypto Show. Welcome to the Alex O Crypto Show, Mike Mitchell Quinn. Welcome, man. Good to see you, man. Everything's free. Alex O Crypto, man. We're just having a little bit of a bump. Sometimes you gotta limber up before you start things off. Sometimes you gotta limber up. That's what we just did. Okay. Looking at this bull flag, looking to pop off. We gave the trade setup in advance. Okay, so let's go into, we were looking at the weekly red dot being confirmed, and we'll have to wait to see if that happens. However, if we do get a massive push today, we could get this cancellation. If we get a push within the next couple of days, our weekly close could look very, very nice. Okay, look at this, man. We got dumped and pumped, man. Now we're engulfing. So this is pretty exciting, though. So if we don't get rejected over the weekend, we could be looking to engulf this bearish candle and then continue our way upwards. Just saying. And you know what's lurking? Guys? That ETF. Okay, the ETF is lurking. We got Santa. We want the rally, right? We want that Santa Claus rally. Are we gonna get it all the way up? Or are we going to get rejected, okay? Going into this ETF. So we're aware of where the ETF is, Last days being the 10th, so it could be any time before here. Imagine we got it today. That would be pretty interesting, considering that the SEC in joint conference call with Bitcoin ETF applications amid approval speculation. So, guys, this is pretty big. Like, they're all meeting up. They're all getting ready to launch this thing. Okay, it says 90%, but like, there's been a lot of interesting things coming out, right? A lot of interesting things coming out. I mean, I think I saw another Bitcoin commercial. This is 1:20. You guys can hear okay, right? Run, Forrest. I want to see his price in the halving first prior to pricing in the ETF.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay.
There's no second best, guys.
But take all your money, buy Bitcoin.
Yeah, boy. Let's go. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Is Bitcoin your love language? Is this true? This is a Bitcoin holder. This is an Ethereum holder. I thought that was funny. And how old were you guys? Okay. What is this? What is this? Don't ruin it for anybody. This is glue, right? Remember these glue? Do you guys remember this stuff? Anyways, we have a good laugh. We can have a good laugh. Okay? Deezy salon holders be like this. Oh, man. Too funny. Too funny. Mrs. Otter's even laughing in the background. You gonna come wish them Merry Christmas or what? You gonna come wish them Merry Christmas? Are you gonna show yourself? They know what you look like. They know what you look like. I don't have 3 hands. They can't hear you. You're supposed to say Merry Christmas. Let me see if it's picking up the audio. Go. No, it's not picking up the audio. I can move this. She's running around. Go say Merry Christmas. She's making her way around. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Oh, Mrs. Otter saying Merry Christmas, everyone. You're cute. She's wearing Canadian plaid today. She's all decked out. Ooh. Ooh. They've watched your stream. Allcoin Corey said, watched your stream. It was good. See? She says, thank you. She says, thank you. Hello, you're right. Go here. Uh-oh. Mrs. Otter's playing. Not bad, not bad. So on the weekly here, Billy says Merry Christmas. B-Team says Merry Christmas. French Toaster says Merry Christmas. Aw, she says. Lovely jubbly. So flipping through Bitcoin here. We'll have to wait and see. But flipping through Bitcoin here. Let's see what we can find, guys. Let's see what we can find. guys and gals. So the weekly is pushed back, okay? It's questionable that with this red dot confirms. If it does confirm, we could be looking for lower prices. However, not totally convinced on that. So the thing that we were watching here is that the 3-day looks like it can pop off, man. In my opinion, look at this, guys. We got a beautiful curvature to the upside on the VWAP, back to the zero line. We got money flow flattening out, okay, looking to posture to the upside. The posturing on the stochastics is nice. The momentum wave is looking to reset. Look at the previous history. If we put a horizontal line here, look at that. It popped back off here. So we look for the orange color to indicate the initial move, right? So we'll have to see if we get a pop off here. Very interesting. We got this will present itself tomorrow evening, so we got to wait for this one. But that's an interesting sign. And then you go to the 2-day here, guys. Mrs. Otter, Crypto Pollo says cluck cluck. That's Merry Christmas in chicken. Yeah. What do you say back? Any cockle-doo? Cluck 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 cluck. And a Happy New Year. Cluck, 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 cluck. That means and a Happy New Year, she says. I'm the raunchy guy. I said any cockle-doo. You know, just ignore me, okay? Ignore me. We're celebrating a birthday, okay? Jesus. Alex, so look back at my comments on the weekly bear div scenario. I'll have to look at that. Can you drop something in the Discord? Then I can look at it, my friend. Because, you know.
Just do it.
Just got to do it.
Don't worry.
Be happy. So on the daily, the 2-day here, we were at the 2-day. We're getting the green dot, money flows to the upside, VWAP's crossing over. Very beautiful sign for upwards action here, okay? This could mean popping off, okay? And remember, when on my trigger video, we said with bullish upside, we always talk about trading up within this region. And because we're so bullish, we've been trading up in this region. So we could be looking for another momentum wave to the upside. Very, very cautious because it's, you know, it's such a bullish environment that it's really, unless you're right on the charts, it's very risky shorting right now, okay? It's very risky shorting. However, the fees are pretty high, okay? So let's go to the daily. Darren says, weekly dot confirms momentum wave drops, green dot, red dot, weekly bear div, decent drop. That'd be interesting. This drops. Weekly dot confirms, okay. Momentum wave drops. Green dot, red dot. Okay, so something like this. Where you get this green dot, red dot with the higher high, bear div, big drop. Something like that. Interesting. I mean, anything's possible in Bitcoin. We know that. We know that. It's pushing back. It's pushing back. Money flow remains pretty flat. Moving to the upside. On the daily here, the daily looks like it wants to come down and then reset. So we'll have to be patient here on the daily. No major signs except for money flows coming out a little bit on the daily. Momentum wave still to the upside, looking to continue to push, but it could capsize over here. So we got to be very cautious here. We could be looking for an actual double top here. We do have the W formation down below here as well, so that could pop off as well. So there's multiple signs saying that we could go either direction. We got the W here, right? You break the neckline here. The measured move is from here to here. Very simple. Keep it simple, right? And you could be looking to come up, right? That's a possibility always, right? I've seen some people looking at that. However, we are flagging out here with not too much momentum to the upside. We were saying alts pumped, right? That was the title of the video, because if you go over to Total 3 is on an absolute tear. We shared this in the Discord yesterday, where Total 3 has broken out and it's pushing up. We got the moves on DOT. We got the moves on a whole bunch of alts yesterday, especially Solana and Avalanche, where they have cooled off now, but massive moves on Total 3. So very interesting to see that. We still have this beautiful CME gap down below us here. So if we do get some movement this weekend, right? If we do move and we create another gap to the downside or to the upside, you know, we've had a lot of movement on this weekend randomly, right? So be very cautious. Use those stop losses. It is the holiday time, right? So there could be some volatility. There could be people realizing losses for their taxes, right? Taking a loss, realizing it, and lowering their taxes that way. So be very cautious right now. On the 12-day. Now we spotted the 12-day bull div, which was awesome. This was caught like as soon as it appeared. So we got the lower lows and the higher highs. And this has popped off. However, this move looks like it's cooling off in my opinion. So it looks like it's curving to the downside. So we really want to see a reaction here from the VWAP on the 12-hour. That would be my indication of which direction this is going to go, because this can still continue upwards like this. However, it is flattening out up top here, and the VWAP has come down to the 0 line, which typically it either crosses over, which is quite bearish because it looks to pull this momentum wave down, or it pops off here, which could mean a continuation pattern and something like this. Okay, so cautious here. The opening of the stochastics here gives me the indication of a bigger move, and if this pops back up here, we could see that continue to the upside. So this will be a very good indication of which way we're going to come within the next day, right? So this is within 10 hours, right? We will know. Pardon me while I blow my nose. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. You're doing a great job.
I'm just doing my job.
Okay. Are you doing your job? Get to the chopper.
Run! Go! Get to the chopper!
Tell the missus I say... Uh-oh. You don't have to translate, Alex. I speak perfect chicken. Oh, my God. That was my best chicken. That sounded like Dr. Zoo's book. Good job. Can you look at ICP, Armani Web? Yeah, of course we can. Of course we can. OP is off today. Got to get down on a Friday. Is it a limit time? Oh, man. You guys are amazing. Oh.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
I'll look at it, okay? Where's the choir one? The choir one's the best. Here we go.
You're a fucking choir boy compared to me. A choir boy.
Fucking choir boy compared to me. Oh my God. Don't call the police. Don't call the police.
Hasta la vista, baby.
So Bitcoin flagging out here. We'll do ICP after we do Bitcoin. We're looking for the long here. Trade setup was given in advance. Join us in the free Discord, my friends. You can just go over the Discord. People just sharing crazy stuff. My TA setups, you can see here. I typically share what I'm looking at. ADA, Beam, Bitcoin, okay? I said this looks too easy, though. Funding rate is ridiculous. So always with caution. Not signals. Just things I'm looking at, right? Do your own research. I ain't here to get you wrecked. I ain't here to make you rich. I'm here to try and guide you with other people's confluences, right? Because everybody's helping everybody here. That's what this whole channel is about, man. Smash those like buttons. We got 21 viewers and 14 likes, man. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We got looks like an available trade in AVAX to $40 available now. Coming at you live from AVAX. Dave Digital, baby. TA Master. TA Master. TA Master, you're
You think I'm funny, huh? You think I'm funny?
Oh, you are funny, man. You are funny. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, man. So Bitcoin flagging out, looking to pop off. 4 hour. Looks like it's cooling off. Red signal here on the stochastics looking to come down. Looking to come down, but the VWAP is very much pushed down, so this could be turning to the upside. Let's front run it. Let's go to the 2 hour. Oh, the 2 hours popping off, see? So this is how you build confluence with market ciphers, that you can see that the 2 hours actually flattening out. If this postures to the upside more dramatically, then you can look for this continuation up, okay? The more you go sideways here, the more everything resets, the more possibility for upside, in my opinion. So you're holding tight here. If you pull the volume straight across, you can see we put in a huge chunk of volume up here, okay? So if we do lose these levels, we look to come all the way back down to this daily zone, okay? The value area low within this box here. That's what you have to be cautious about, is that if you do lose this, you have quite a fall drop all the way back down about 3%. So it is very risky unless you have a very tight stop loss here. So you want to be very well protected. Nice and tight. And like we said, we have some great levels above us here that we're looking to come up to. So we got, the all-time highs here that are going to be resistance, but then you're all the way up to about 46,000 if you do break this. So could be interesting to see, my friends. Could be interesting to see. What's in that coffee? You know what?
Give me a break.
Give me a break.
Give me a break.
Okay. Good to see you, Mark Dutch. Thank you so much for coming through, man. Good morning. Good morning from the other gang. Don't make me play the song again. It's the last stream before Christmas, guys. It's the last stream. So don't forget to smash those like buttons and hang out and Giver's Game, man, because I love it.
I love it.
I didn't lie.
I lied.
Okay. So we're going to look at ICP. That's the ideas for Bitcoin. If you want anything else on Bitcoin, let me know. You are making, I wouldn't say significant higher highs, but this looks like a divergence here. We could be coming down. Okay, we could be coming down. And if you go right into the nitty-gritty time frame here, 15 minutes, you got the higher highs, the lower lows like we just showed you. And then you have dropped. You are in a very micro downtrend where you have flagged out this way. And that looks to continue this way. Okay. So be cautious with the longs. Okay. Let's go to ICP and the place to be, man. Let's go to ICP. How you all doing? It's Irish coffee, Alex. No. It's Mark Dutch says it's still kind of awkward when watching YouTubers drinking their morning coffee while I'm opening my first beer. Man's cracking the beers already. Wow. Mark, I knew you were a legend, but come on, man. ICP. Don't look at me pee, okay? Where the heck's ICP? I had it here. Uh-oh. We found it. So ICP is going to $2,000 supposedly. That's what the consensus was on my ICP pullback video. Okay. But going over to ICP, we've had a nice move upwards. Okay. We have flipped 882. So $8.80 to support. There's not a lot in front of us. Okay. So let's go over and see how high we can get because we flipped that to support. And let's go over here. Now our main level of resistance is definitely going to be that $15.30 area, okay? That's going to be your main level of resistance. However, you do have a couple of little stops on the way if you want to say that. Volume ends right around here. We can go here. Okay, so you do have some stops along the way. Little volume spikes, right? And you can see how they're respected throughout. So on the daily looks bullish. Okay, so daily massive push up, resetting here. Money flow is very, very green. You can see the posturing of the VWAPs to the upside. So you want to see this come up to the 0 line and cross over. Go over to the 12-hour. Come on, you don't load that slow on me. Don't load that slow on me. We didn't pay for that super fiber internet for nothing. Let's go. What's going on, TradeFly? What's going on? Hope you're doing well.
Bastard.
We didn't drink this morning. They think we're drunk.
Who is your daddy and what does he do? Just do it.
Good morning, TradeFly, man. ICP was massively manipulated. Yeah, it had. Everybody says it's a rug pull. It's Friday. Merry Christmas to you, TradeFly. We're gonna get you on. We're gonna eat.
Who told you you can eat my cookies?
And we're gonna bring these guys some alpha. Same with Lunar Beach's Crypto. We're gonna have you both on here. Giver's game, man. We can all thank Billy for this, eh? By the way, let's all thank Billy. Thank you, Billy. God bless you, Billy. Thank you for bringing people like-minded together, man. Thank you. God bless you, man. I appreciate you, man. So everybody's saying this is rug pull ICP. And you know what? They say the technology is the best in the crypto world. Okay, cool. It's got a lot of work to do considering that it was all the way up here, right? So it's coming out. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. There's a lot of community behind ICP, okay, which is good, which is a good sign. So you got some stops along the way. We'll add those to our charts, but you can see like there's a lot of work to do to get it even up here. And then you got key resistance on your way up to flip to support, right? So you can see that very much along the way here. I'd say here as well. Okay, so there's a lot of stops along the way for you to get up higher, but it is pushing. It is pushing. Now in the short-term time frames, okay, we're on the 4-hour here. We can see there is bullish momentum here, but it is the weekend. So, you know, if you're looking to grab along, this $8.80 looks to have flipped and held support, and that's the key level as well. So a nice consolidation sideways flag here, which could break to the upside, right? So either you're looking to long down here or you're looking to trade the breakout as it breaks out from up top here. So your stops along the way, very small, minute stops until you get up to this $15. This $15, there's not a lot of volume within here. So these will be quite quick moves. Like you can punch through them quite quickly. So you can see this is acted as resistance. Same with this. And you got to watch as you work your way up here. But these are your main levels of resistance ahead of you. And then you look to hold this $8.80. If you do fall back down, you could be looking to come all the way back down to $7.50. If you're looking for like a good DCA price, if you fall within this range. Okay, I don't think you're coming back down to $5 anymore, but nice move from ICP. You have some resistance. And your next major target to get above and flip to support as you have here is going to be $15.37, okay? And I hope that makes sense for your beautiful ICP in the place to be. Are we getting that move from Bitcoin? What's going on with Bitcoin? Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Thanks, Billy. Everybody's thanking Billy. See? We all love you, Billy. We all love you. Need good people in this space, man. Sick of this, I won't go there. It's Christmas, man. It's Christmas. Love everybody. Be kind. Be kind. Okay, so we had someone else ask me to look at something. We had ICP. Good. How's it going, D. Jenny from the blockchain? Much love to you, man. Much love to you. AVAX. Let's look at AVAX, okay? Mr. Dave Digital. Mr. Dave Digital himself. The man, the myth, the legend, Dave Digital. Thank you so much for being here. Hey, guys, if you're reading the description of this video, you're reading Dave Digital, just so you guys know. See, Dave Digital is definitely about that giver's game mentality, man. He reached out. He helped me fix my horrible description in my video because, I mean, it was bad. It was bad, guys, okay? So if you're reading the description, Illuvium. Thank you, Pollo. Thank you, Pollo. We'll go Illuvium first. Then we'll go. Because you got to go in order, right? You got to go in order. It's only fair. So Illuvium, gaming coin. Bullish coming out. Okay. Massive push-up, retracement down. You've seen this with a lot of the gaming coins. Same with Beam. Okay, so this is its own personal game. We have support and resistance throughout. Okay, so you're holding resistance. Let's just see where that major area of volume is for this. Okay, so you're basically holding it here. We have some entries down below. Okay. Okay, so I don't think you're coming down here anymore. So let's go into it. Oh, that's my BB. Nice hold here. Nice hold. So your $83 here looks to be your main support. That's amazing. I know you longed it from $83, Pollo, because you're a legend. You're a legend, man. I'll have a look at Cock in You too. Don't worry, guys. We'll get to Cock in You. We'll get to Cock in You. Okay? We'll get there.
You are disgusting.
I've been waiting to use that one.
You are disgusting.
We'll get to cocking you. Okay, beautiful move from Illuvium. Coming up to this level here. Flipping it to support, hopefully. You can see $96 was a key level of resistance. You got the push up here. Very nice move from Illuvium. Coming all the way back up. I mean, massive move. Another 20% back up. Looking to change this. Now, what you want to watch here is that I saw quite quickly here is you want to watch this downtrend here. Okay, that's maybe a breakout, but if you pull this back to here, let's say, and you pull this up to here, something like that, that's kind of what I see here, is that you got to be careful because you're coming up to this resistance again. You want to take out this high, okay? That's going to be your beautiful sign of continuation, right? Continuation. You could come back for a lower low and continue your way up here. However, you want to take out this high. This high is going to be your big resistance here, and this downtrend. So your high is around 105, which is actually quite cool because psychologically you want to get above $100. Once you're above there, I think momentum-wise, just for psychological purposes. So once you get above 100, look to flip this 96 continuation upwards, and it does look quite bullish, okay? That doesn't mean it can't cool off and come back down, but you want to see 96 hold for continuation upwards. You want to see this beautiful upwards trend continue where you're making higher highs and lower highs where you continue your way up, taking out these highs, changing the market structure from this downtrend, okay? That's what's going to be crucial for Illuvium to continue upwards. On the daily, it's probably, let's see what Market Cipher says on the daily. Yeah, beautiful green dot, bullish momentum to the upside. So you got a lot of room here on the, yeah, and the money flow is curving up. So it looks healthy on the daily. So you can look for some more higher prices. Boom, the crossover on the 0 line on the 12. So yeah, massive push here. Good for Illuvium. Holding 96, trying to break out of this 105 area is going to be the next level of resistance. Hope that helps you with Illuvium, but great trade, man. Great trade. That bad boy hit 1990 last run without the game. There you go, guys. So 1990, that's the year I was born. Yes, you can do the math. I'm 33. Okay. You can do the math. That's okay. I don't mind. I'm like a dinosaur.
Dinosaurs.
Maybe you guys think I'm young. Crypto investor, how's ICP looking? We just went over ICP. If you rewind in the video, you can see we did all of ICP. There's lots of ICP information in the video. And then you can put me on 2x and maybe I can talk really fast. Do any of you guys all watch everything on 2x? I got like brain scramble from watching everything on 2x. Okay. ICP in the place to be. Okay. Did a whole breakdown on ICP. So going over to AVAX here. Let's go, AVAX. It's time to pump, baby. So we look for this trend line to hold. It has held. We have popped through this resistance. We have made continuous higher highs. We're looking for a bit of a retrace here on AVAX. We can pull the swing. And so we do have a golden pocket up here. Going into the weekend, Christmas, all that good stuff. Probably going to be slowing down. But let's see if it holds this 44 region, which would be quite nice. Okay, let's pull fib from here, actually. Let's see. Yeah, so we're within a bounce range, but we got such a heavy rejection here. Okay, putting in lower lows. This is a very big break of structure. Okay, this is very aggressive in my opinion. So you can see the aggressiveness within this. It's crawling its way upwards, and then it's just like, boom, taking it out. So maybe something like this. Or maybe something like this where it just kind of goes flat and then it comes back down to this trend line and then we see it change structure here and continue its way upwards, right? So pretty good move from AVAX. However, massive correction. So for me, there's lots of bullishness going around the crypto universe right now. But that Santa Claus rally, we really haven't seen the Santa Claus rally from Bitcoin yet. So could we get it over this weekend? Quite possibly. We've seen things get such a heavy push, right, on all the alts yesterday, on Solana, on Link, right, on DOT. Right now, it looks like they're cooling off, right? This looks like it can continue sideways and down, right? Sideways and down. It's flagging out, right? So simple flag, right? Continue down. So my suggestion is to be patient right now. The funding rate's quite extreme. We gave the trade setup here on Bitcoin this morning, just looking for this to continue its way upwards. However, it went up. Now it's come down pretty quickly, right? So there's a lot of selling pressure. We can always go to the liquidation heat map. I always take a look at this and see where liquidity resides, right? And you can see a lot of liquidity residing up here at this 44.6 area, right? So it typically wants to hunt this out, right? So we'll have to be patient here and wait to see what Bitcoin kind of presents to us in the next coming hours. We had a nice recovery on the S&P yesterday, which was good to see. Okay, this was good to see. We had massive bloody waterfall to the downside. Massive recovery up, back in action here for the S&P. Which means the Dixie has dumped, right? Which means the Dixie continues to get rocked, man. This is so very violent to the downside, which means people are holding less dollars, right? People are holding less dollars, which means risk on assets and other assets are gonna pump, right? And we're looking for this target around 100 here on the Dixie. So as we continue to fall, we're looking for that reversal bounce that we could get. Okay, so just keeping a very close eye on the Dixie to see what happens. But guys, it's the end of the month. It's the end of the year. People are doing their tax thing and trying to, reduce their income. ZoomX funding on BTC right now is 0.03 right. Wow. So holding longs is expensive, is what you're telling me, Schaefer. Santa Rally, not normally the last 5 days of the year and first 2 days of the new year. Perfect, even better if the ETF comes out then. Yeah, that would be probably parabolic, right? G Corp 1990. Let's go. Let's go. Imagine listening to Jeb on 2X. Uh-oh. Crypto Pollo's long. Do you work in construction?
I'm a construction worker.
Conan.
More bullish news. Argentina contracts can now be paid in Bitcoin, and East Minister says, okay, so Argentina's following through with all this Bitcoin stuff. What do you guys think about that? Are we all going to just move to Argentina? What are the taxes like? That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know. So the ADA setup, let's see if ADA can hold this. This is still valid. This is still valid. Looking to hold this as support. Okay, ADA's very, very slow in consolidating. You can actually see it's got kind of a much bigger triangle pattern here coming up, but we've broken out yesterday. We can see if it can continue its way upwards. Look for the retest of this breakout, okay? That's what we're looking for on ADA. Let's go over to Matic. Matic has a massive breakout as well. We just missed this, okay? So, it was overwhelming how many breakouts happened yesterday. So my only suggestion is to use alarms, right? So you can put an alarm even on a trend line. So if you go to the trend line, you can press the little add alert, right? And then you can get an alert once it crosses, right? So then you wait for the retest of this alert, and that's when you look to trade it, okay? So not only can you just put an alert on your chart, okay, but you can add it onto trend lines. So make sure you're aware of that too. For any breakouts, right, you want to make sure that you're ready. So when I do my TA, my due diligence on things like that, I'll always add alerts to trend lines just so that, in case I'm not completely on the charts or I'm, eating because I like food, that I can be notified, right? And for me, it's always these more of a blue chip. I like trading blue chips because I find they respect the TA a little bit more. So I mostly trade Bitcoin, but then I can go to ETH, Matic, ADA, AVAX, Solana, Link. I don't really trade BNB too much. But if you took that BNB long yesterday, man, holy smokes, we got a massive move. Kyle gave us this in the Discord. So join us in the free Discord. Even Streamlabs is saying, join us in the free Discord, okay? Everything's free. We got a great community. And everybody here is, I would say you guys are pretty funny. And the Otter Gang, we're very, we be killing it. Look at Nick, man. This guy just got receipts. This guy's got receipts, right? Schaefer's got mad receipts too. Everybody's making money. Traders helping traders, man. That's what it's all about. So join us there. French Toaster, I didn't know you could set alarms on trend lines. I wish I could set stop losses or TPs with trend lines. Yeah. Well, you can. Just set the take profits on limit orders in your exchange on trend lines. Unless you're trading in TradingView. I'm not sure how that works. I haven't, I think Femex is accepted here. Femex is on. Where are you going? Oh, she was getting rid of a spider. She's a spider hunter, Mrs. Otter. Do otters eat spiders? I think so. Okay, so let's get rid of some of these trades that we had set up because now they're no longer valid. Dot retesting here. That's a nice retest. Looking for dot to bounce. Okay. Bitcoin. Oh, this is risky, man. Like, you got the higher lows here. Kind of. Okay. You lose this, like I said, you're coming down to 40. You don't have a lot holding you up here. You don't have a lot holding you up. And to me, this has been like, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This is what you'd think would happen, but it's really teasing. Like, this could even be something like this. This is a little bit higher than that high. But we know we're going into the weekend. We know the volume is for Friday. Did AOC just say he eat a spider live? Yeah, man. I wasn't one of those kids who used to pull the wings off of flies and watch them crawl, okay? I wasn't one of those kids, I swear to you. We may have done the magnifying glass with the ants a couple times, okay? I'm confessing here before Christmas. So I get, clear my conscience. You guys are killing me. You guys are killing me. So, Mr. Coin, are we going to pump? Is there any alts you guys would like me to look at? Let's look at Link. In the meantime, throw some alts in there. I'll be glad to look at them for you guys. Kyle made the call on Link as well. Good job, Kyle. So we had so many breakouts here. So we had the major resistance, as you can see, the breakout, the retest, and the push up. Okay, now I am a holder of Link. I'm still getting coal, baby. Let's go. Still getting coal. That's all right. I don't mind. Those ants deserved it.
It doesn't matter.
Arnold says it doesn't matter, man. Just do it.
Do it now.
Link's holding. Breakout, massive move. Okay, we said this yesterday. Even on Piper's Live, we got an 8% move. Okay, a little bit choppy on the way up, but it got there eventually. Okay, massive move up. We got some resistance above us. So if we go to the 12-hour here on Link, we can see we do have some resistance here coming our way. Pull this all the way across. So we get some more volume. Value area high, topping off here, 1570. 1570 looks to be key resistance to the upside, okay? Move, topping candle, topping tail. Could be a continuation down, but it is very nice to see, this breakout of this downwards trend, okay? So can this be a reversal pattern? We've made the higher high, so we've had the lower low. Now we've made the higher high. So we look for something like this, right? Continuation, depending on where we go. So we could come all the way back down to this point of control down here and then continue upwards. Okay, so we could get a bit of a drop here, or we could hold this simply where it's at and continue its way upwards too. So we're aware, but the most important thing is that this top has been taken out. Okay, so that's kind of a break of structure in the long term. In the long term, you can see we've taken out this top here. Break of structure. We look for the continuation upwards, okay? Nice retracement area. Let's see if we can find a nice retracement area on Link. So for me, we've returned to this area here. So I'm going to pull a fib from here to here. That's going to be my idea. Then we go to the 1 hour. Going over to the 1 hour, I'm going to pull the fib, so I'll get rid of that. I'll get my fib tool. I'll pull from the swing high to the swing low to the swing high. Look at that. Perfect retracement down to this 618. Okay. So we look for the 618 area to hold. So this would be my area of if we do drop, I'm looking for this area to hold, and then I'm targeting above 1570, right? maximum profit $16, but my initial thought would be to get above this high, 1570, and then come up to here, right? And then tight stop loss just below these previous, just below here of these previous ones here around $15. I'd go down to $14.95-ish area, okay? And that's what I'd be looking for at link. If we do come down, that would be my general trading idea. And I'd wait for confluence and confirmations on the 15/5 minute where I'm looking for the entry. Okay, so come down here, a little bit of a bull div or something, and possible pop off. And then guess what? We say
bye.
Bye.
Get to the chopper!
Just pump it. Just pump it up. Just pump it up. Rune, if you have not yet, I might open up on it today. Steve H, what's going on, man? Steve. Alan. Steve. Oh, man. Thank you for being here, Steve. Merry Christmas, brother. Merry Christmas. Rune has dumped. No. Let's take a look at Rune, babe. Ooh, woof. Okay. So this is a good example of where we set trend lines and breakouts, okay? Trend lines, breakouts. So whenever you're having trouble pulling trend lines, what I like to do is I'll go to the high. If it's the top, you go for your closing green candles. In my case, it's orange, right? So you don't worry about the red or the purple candles in my case. So you worry about the green candles and the tops of the green candles. You can pull from the top here, you see? And then we go, and I start it down below. So I'll start it here on this candle here, and then I'll pull back for confluence. So I start it there, and then you can pull this towards where you get a touch, right? Oh, there's a touch there, but here would be more significant in my opinion because you got multiple touches, right? And then extend this out from that area there, okay? And that's how I always tend to draw my trend lines. Now, if you have a break, that's okay. You could say this was breaking out from here, okay? You could say that's a breakout here. Now you're looking for the retest. So that's multiple touches, no candle closes above, except now. So you get the candle close above. Now you're looking for the retest and the possible continuation. Okay, so where do you get that retest? You zoom in. You've gotten a couple of retests here. Let's pull the fib, swing low to swing high. Okay, and then you draw a box between the golden pocket and the 786, and this is your area where you're looking for the confluence of a bull div, okay, or exhaustion. Okay, so I'd be looking for something like this and a continuation upwards, higher high, higher low, continuation momentum wave, okay? Something like that. And we know where our key level of support is this psychological $5, okay? Psychological $5 going to be your key level of support. And you would have found that through simply looking at this. You can see that we have a clearly defined low structure down below here that is going to act as support, right? We lose this, we're going much lower. So we want to see this bounce. We want to see this bounce from here. Break of structures happen. Not the break of structure, sorry. The break of the trend line has happened. The break of structure hasn't happened. Okay, so the break of structure for me is going to be when we take out this high here. So we'll bring this trend line down. Bang. We have not taken out that high, right? So if you are going to trade this as a break of structure, you want to see this get above here and create that higher high reversal, right? Reversal. But right now we're looking for this continuation. Then if we get that and you're not taking this confirmation, you can take the confirmation of this break of structure and then get the retest, right? So let's say this pumps up from here, breaks that structure, then you look for the retest there on multiple levels of support. And that's how I would trade that. But right now, looking like a bull flag, to the upside. Let's see if it can break out, coming down to this retest of this trend line and moving upwards. Crypto investor says 26 watching and 24 likes. Who are the two clowns not clicking the likes? We're going to charge you.
I'm pressing charges against you.
We're going to charge you.
I'm pressing charges against you. I'm pressing charges against you. Bastard. Goodbye.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Who's your daddy and what does he do? Good morning. Good morning to all of you. We've had 69 views here on a Friday, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We've been distracted. We missed the market open, okay? I unliked. You can dislike it, okay, Schaefer? But I'm going to send you coal in the mail. Dixie's dumping. S&P's pumping. Opening up positive for the day, okay? We've gapped to the upside. S&P is pushing back, okay? Big W reversal, okay? Massive dump, massive pump, V-shaped recovery, mate. V-shaped recovery. All right? All right? So, we're gapping up. We're pushing up. Can we get the Bitcoin push as well? Let's wait and find out. We're getting the dump on the Dixie. Get down. Get down. Stop whining. Stop whining.
Get down or I'll put you down.
Get down.
Get down. Get down. Get down.
We got stop whining on here. No, we don't have stop whining. We don't have stop whining. I'm sorry about that, guys. Stop being a pussy.
Stop being such a pussy. Fucking shot me. Just a scratch. Stop being such a pussy. Fucking shot me. Just a scratch.
Good thing we're not monetized, man. Oh. Mitchell Quinn listening in the gym. Get those gains, man. Get those gains. So, yeah. S&P's pumping. Dixie's dumping. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. Let's see. We're expecting some sideways action this weekend. Who knows? But we'll be here. We'll be in the Discord. Matic getting a push-up. Dot's getting a push-up. I mean, it's looking bullish. Even on Schaefer's crazy chart over here, it's looking bullish. So, Alluvium looking to make this 96 its new support level. AVAX trying to hold on for dear life. Okay. Bitcoin is looking to flag up. Can it hold this area? We'll have to wait and see. If it loses this area, we're looking for it to come back down to this 42,500 daily area, point of control-ish area. So be careful with the Bitcoin long right now. Look for the retrace bounce. We'll see if we get it. But be careful with the long right now. It's teasing us. It's teasing us. If they're teasing us at the bottom, it means that they want to dump. You can see this is a simple flag. It's risky in my opinion. Okay, risky. Want to see the reset? We're looking for some bullishness on the 4 hours to lead the way. We go over to the 3 and the 2. You can see the posturing isn't fully to the upside yet. So we could be looking at a possible little trigger wave here on the 2 hour if we do push back up. However, this is looking like it wants to come down. We got that triple downwards top here on the 2 hour and the triple highs. So this is a divergence as we know it. Okay. So this could be downwards action. But remember, every dip, people are buying this up, man. People are buying this up. So it's going to have to be aggressive. So be very careful with those stop losses, guys. Be very careful. Bull div on the 15, you're saying, Toaster? Okay. Lower low, higher high. Very, yeah, you can see the bull div here. So this could be it. Bull div coming up. Could be the one. Remember, protect yourself before you wreck yourself. Okay? Much love to every single one of you. That's enough out of me today. Very grateful for everybody who came through today supporting this channel. We got 28 viewers, man. I think that's a record. 28 viewers. God bless every single one of you. Have a very Merry Christmas, man. You guys You guys make me extremely happy. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for being part of this community. Join us in the free Discord. Everything's free here, man. We just traders helping traders, trying to give back, trying to help you guys be profitable. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. Good people, good times, good laughs. Even busting out the Arnold Schwarzenegger. Shut up. It's Friday, baby. That's how we do it. Love you all, man. Love you all. Elo Brown setting us up with a beautiful theme song. Let's pump it, baby. Let's pump that song. Alex O, Crypto. God bless you. Peace.
On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco.